disease begins in the gut, says Hippocrates. What is the significance of colon health in digestive health? Digestive health plays an important role in the overall well-being of an individual. Human digestive system comprises of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, also called as colon. Colon is a part of the digestive system which is involved in reabsorption of water and minerals while eliminating waste from our body. Colon is a 5 to 6 feet long tube-like structure curled in our abdominal cavity. On one end, it connects to small intestine and the other end, it is connected to the rectum. Maintenance of a healthy colon plays a vital role in the digestive health. Health risks associated with colon. Colorectal cancer is the fourth most common form of cancer worldwide. It occurs in equal frequency in both men and women. In India, the annual incidence rates for colon cancer and rectal cancer in men are 4.4 and 4.1 per lakh population respectively. Bowel cancer is the third most prevalent cancer in the world and fourth in India. According to Indian Council of Medical Research, bowel cancer accounted for 8% of all cancer deaths in the country. The increased incidence of colon cancer has been attributed to dietary factors such as high fat and low fiber diet. What is the importance of curcumin in colon health? Curcumin, the natural active ingredient of turmeric, in many Southeast Asian countries has been consumed in the diet on daily basis for centuries. The researchers attributed the low coincidence of bowel cancer in the past to the common use of turmeric in Indian households. However, recent changes in food and lifestyle habits have put Indians at an increased risk. This daily consumption not only speaks for its safety but has been said to be responsible for the low incidence of colorectal cancers in these countries. As curcumin is naturally less bioavailable, it is an ideal agent for prevention and treatment of diseases of the gastrointestinal tract, as it can directly provide its natural healing benefits to colon cells. What is the advantage of having curcumin and piperine together? Combo for better biological effect. Piperine in the formula plays a role of bioenhancer which maximizes the biological effect of curcumin. The concept of bioenhancers is derived from the traditional age-old system of Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, black pepper, long pepper and ginger are collectively known as Trikatu, which means 3 acrids. A majority of Ayurvedic formulations contained either Trikatu or else one of the ingredients of Trikatu. A combination of curcumin and piperine is very effective in protecting colon due to their proven complementary biological effects, one acting powerfully to control carcinogenesis and the other facilitating the bioavailability of the former. Virgin coconut oil, the wonder food for colon. Virgin coconut oil is extracted from fresh coconut flesh at low temperature and without the use of chemicals. Scientific studies have shown that coconut oil inhibits the induction of carcinogenic agents in the colon and in mammary tumors in experimental animals. Clinical studies conducted in breast cancer patients with supplementation of virgin coconut oil found that it has improved the quality of life significantly. The medium-chain triglyceride fat, known as healthy fat through its immunomodulatory effect, inhibit the development of harmful cancer cells. Several laboratory studies have proven that the fatty acid, lauric acid present in virgin coconut oil is an active colon cancer killing ingredient which eliminates more than 90% of cancer cells from colon. What is the specialty of Orion's Lycofit? Orions have developed a unique nutraceutical formula with wonder molecules, curcumin and piperine, blended with the healing nature of virgin coconut oil, meant for supporting the long-term good health of colon based on the traditional and current scientific clinical knowledge. Who can take Lycofit? Lycofit is designed to support everyone, while it is highly recommended for people concerned with abnormal digestive health and elderly people who are potential to develop malignancy in the intestine. It is an excellent health supplement which primarily provides support to the colon while taking care of the entire digestive system. Every organ, gland and cell in the body is affected by the condition of the colon, says Norman W. Walker, a famous British businessman and pioneer in the field of vegetable juicing and nutritional health.